Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Harvey is a village in York County, New Brunswick, located about 50 kilometers southwest of Fredericton along Route 3. Surrounded by forests, lakes, and productive farmland, Harvey serves as an important service center for the surrounding rural communities. The village has a population of approximately 1,000 people, while the wider area is home to many more residents living on nearby farms and country roads. Harvey combines small-town charm with a long agricultural history and easy access to some of southwestern New Brunswick's most beautiful natural landscapes. Long before European settlement, this region formed part of the traditional territory of the Wolastoqey people, who traveled the rivers and forests for hunting, fishing, and trade. European settlement began during the late 18th and early 19th centuries, when loyalists and immigrants from the British Isles established farms throughout the area. The fertile soil and abundant forests helped support a growing agricultural community that would eventually become Harvey. The village itself was named after Sir John Harvey, who served as Lieutenant Governor of New Brunswick during the 1800s. As settlement expanded, Harvey developed into a regional center where farmers could buy supplies, sell their products, and access churches, schools, and local businesses. Its location along important transportation routes helped it grow into one of York County's most established rural communities. Agriculture has always been at the heart of Harvey's economy. Dairy farming remains especially important, along with beef cattle, poultry, potatoes, grains, hay, and other crops. Many family farms have operated here for generations, and agriculture continues to play a major role in both the local economy and the community's identity. Modern farming equipment has changed the way the work is done, but the importance of agriculture remains much the same. Forestry has also been an important employer throughout the region. The extensive forests surrounding Harvey support logging, wood harvesting, trucking, and forest management. Wood products from southwestern New Brunswick contribute significantly to the provincial economy, and many residents continue to work in forestry-related industries alongside farming and other occupations. Today, Harvey has a diverse local economy. Residents work in agriculture, forestry, construction, education, healthcare, transportation, retail, government services, manufacturing, and tourism. Some people commute to Fredericton for work, while others operate family-owned businesses or provide services within the community. Harvey also serves as a shopping and service center for nearby rural areas, supporting grocery stores, restaurants, financial services, and small businesses. One of Harvey's best-known attractions is Harvey Lake, located just outside the village. The lake has long been a popular destination for boating, fishing, swimming, and summer cottages. During the warmer months, both residents and visitors enjoy spending time on the water, while nearby campgrounds and cottages attract families from across New Brunswick and beyond. Harvey Lake remains one of the area's most treasured recreational resources. The surrounding countryside offers abundant opportunities for outdoor recreation throughout the year. Hiking, kayaking, canoeing, cycling, hunting, fishing, snowmobiling, and ATV riding are all popular activities. The forests are home to deer, moose, black bears, foxes, and many species of birds, making the area attractive for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers alike. Autumn is particularly beautiful as the surrounding hills display brilliant shades of red, orange, and gold. Harvey also has a rich community spirit. Annual events, agricultural fairs, local markets, and community celebrations bring residents together throughout the year. Volunteers play an important role in maintaining community organizations, sports programs, and local festivals. This strong sense of community has helped Harvey remain a welcoming place despite the changing economy and rural population trends seen across many parts of Atlantic Canada. Housing in Harvey remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. Average home prices generally range between $250,000 and $350,000, depending on the property's size, condition, and location. Larger country homes, hobby farms, or waterfront properties near Harvey Lake often sell for more, while smaller homes within the village remain reasonably priced for first-time buyers and retirees alike. Life in Harvey follows the changing seasons. Spring brings new growth across the farms and forests. Summer is filled with activity on Harvey Lake and throughout the surrounding countryside. Autumn brings harvest season and colorful foliage, while winter offers snow-covered landscapes that are ideal for snowmobiling, cross-country skiing, and other outdoor activities. Each season highlights a different aspect of the region's natural beauty. Today, Harvey remains a thriving rural community built on agriculture, forestry, and a strong connection to the land. Its friendly atmosphere, scenic lakes, productive farmland, and convenient location make it an appealing destination for visitors exploring southwestern New Brunswick. Whether enjoying the peaceful countryside, learning about its agricultural heritage, or spending time on Harvey Lake, the village offers an authentic glimpse into small-town life in New Brunswick. Thanks for watching!